Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and in today's video, I want to share with you 5 ways to use Facebook to grow your online business. Now, the first tip we want to talk about is whether you should use your profile versus your fan page, and this is one that has a lot of controversy toward it, but here's what my best tips are for you. Your Facebook profiles only allow you 5,000 friends, and you can only follow 5,000 people. Your profile is primarily used for individual and non-commercial use. So Facebook's really watching now if you're going to be turning your profile into an online business board, and they can potentially flag you. Now, what a Facebook business page allows you to do is it allows you to expand your audience. If you plan to do advertising in the future, you must have a Facebook fan page. The other benefit of a fan page is that if you are going to be using Facebook Messenger marketing using chat bots such as ManyChat, they only work on fan pages. You can schedule future posts and videos, and with a fan page, what it also allows you to do is that you can track how good your status updates on your fan page are performing, as far as how long people are watching your videos, how they're engaging with your content, which can help you improve your marketing and providing content that people will love. Now, the only bad thing with the fan page is that the organic reach, meaning if you don't do any type of advertising, is going to be very low. So if you are someone who's really planning on using your fan page and doing any type of Facebook advertising, then you want to go with a fan page. In the beginning, you can definitely start with your personal profile, and then there are certain ways you have to market yourself on Facebook to do that, but we'll cover that in another video. Now, as we do with fan pages, when you get your fan page set up, you want to push your fan page, and the way that you do that is in your email signature. You want to put your fan page link there so that people are following you on your fan page. You also want to, in any of your videos that you create on your fan page, always have a call to action to have people liking your fan page. What you can also do, and this is kind of a little advanced trick, but to offer an incentive to like your fan page where you can give a free giveaway via Facebook Messenger. And this is really cool when you use a ManyChat chatbot, because all they have to do is people can go to their messenger. You have a specific link that sends them to Facebook Messenger, and they can download a free gift right from Facebook Messenger. So that's just a really cool trick to learn. Now, you can also add on your blog or website a like box. And what that does too is that people, when they go to your website, if they click like, they will definitely like that fan page. What you also want to do as well is cross-promote. So making sure that if you have other social media profiles such as Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, is if you have spots to put, creating content to tell them that you have a Facebook fan page, telling them to follow you on Facebook. What that does is, as you build your audience, people are going to want to check out your other social media networks. So always include some posts to have people, on your other accounts, to have them go follow you on Facebook. You want to post content consistently, and this is regardless if you're operating from your profile or from your fan page. And the reason for that is that many people during the last 10 years, our attention spans have really been shortened. They're now less than 8 seconds. So what we need to do is that if you're not posting consistently, people are going to forget about you. So what you want to do is post 2 to 4 times a day, and you can schedule this. Now, if you're using your personal profile, there's no way to schedule your posts ahead of time unless you use a third-party source such as Hootsuite or Post Planner. You want to use the 90-10 rule when posting, regardless of what, if you're doing fan page or profile. You want to do 90% value, 10% promotion. So what are value posts? They can be images, they can be inspirational quotes, they can be videos, they can be blog posts, which can also be third party. So with these 4 types of value posts, they all have to be centered on creating curiosity while solving a problem that your market has. Promotional posts can be when an upcoming meeting or webinar excuse me, is happening. Local meetings or conference calls. More curiosity posts, such as behind the scenes, where if you're attending a live event, photos of your team. Just make sure in any of your posts you are not mentioning the name of your product or the name of the company you're promoting. This is especially true for network marketers, because what happens then is that people are going to do their own research, and then they're going to draw their own conclusions. They're going to have a higher level of resistance, and they're not going to want to hear what you have to offer. The last thing you should consider is Facebook ads. Now, if you are going to choose the fan page route, you want to start doing Facebook ads. It's the fastest way to build an audience. And as I mentioned before, the organic reach is very, very low. So what Facebook wants people to do with the fan page is use the advertising feature. Now, what Facebook ads give you, they are not expensive. It's the most inexpensive form of advertising, where you can start with as little as $5 a day, and you can really reach a targeted audience of people who would actually click on your ad. And you can interact with your audience with your Facebook ads, because you can literally create engagement ad posts where people will interact with your ad. And the more people that interact with your ad, the higher your reach, the greater the exposure, and you're going to wind up spending less on the ad itself. Now, as you can see on your screen, my friend Karen, this is an example of a home business ad where she was able to rank advanced 3 times using a combination of Facebook ads and Facebook Messenger marketing right from her fan page. So as you can see, you can do either a video ad, or you could do just a standard engagement post ad. She did a video ad, and she wound up getting just really amazing results. Did you find this video helpful today? If you did, I want you to leave a comment and share. Make sure you're following me on Facebook right on my fan page here. You can go to facebook.com/Dr. Lisa Thompson, and make sure you like and follow my page, because I create content on almost a daily basis, and I don't want you to miss a thing. Also, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel directly from my fan page. So all you have to do is look on the left-hand side of your screen, and you will see Dr. Lisa's YouTube videos. We want you to go there and then click on the subscribe button. You will always see my most recent video in the big area here, the featured video settings. Now, before you go, I have a great Facebook fan page masterclass for you that's absolutely free, where you can learn the real simple 3-step system to get 1,000 fans on your Facebook fan page and to turn them into prospect customers and reps for your business. When you register, you're also going to get a free paid marketing secrets, a free guide that will walk you through exactly how to set up your first Facebook ad. To get the access to this free masterclass, all you have to do is go to the link you see on your screen. I also have the link in the description and in the first comments section, the pinned comments in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.